This is a 2024 3LT Red Mist Coupe. Hello, once again, I am Robert. This is Corvette World, and I have another gorgeous Red Mist to show you tonight. This is a 2024 3LT Red Mist Coupe. Check it out. We got the natural interior, we've got the Trident wheels, and the chrome badge package. It's just a classy setup once again. But on top of that, we also have, as you can see from the front here, we have the body color exterior accent package. So instead of carbon flash, you can see we have this in body color. We also have the scrape armor radiator protection screens installed as well. I don't know, most people don't like it, but in this case, this is installed. That's the front license plate bracket. And I will note, there are mounts for it. You do not drill holes in the body. There's confusion about that like in the old days. No, there's screws, holes behind that, and they mount up. So they don't chew up the front end like you had to like on the C6 where you had to like drill pop rivet holes in them or anything. So none of that, thank God. As we make our way over, you can see here from the side, we have our machine face Spectra Gray Trident wheels with our edge reg calipers. And of course, edge reg goes perfectly with Red Mist, my opinion here. And it is mated to a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires all the way around. Another thing I will note for your benefit, the entire front of this Corvette has PPF protection film installed as well. Obviously, it's body color removable carbon fiber painted target top. More of the body color exterior accenting there with the inlet. And this Corvette has the TVS low wing spoiler package. So you see we have the body color low wing spoiler and made it to, again, the chrome badge package and the stainless NPP multi-mode exhaust op. On the interior, it's got the standard setup. We have the black composite engine cover currently in stock, but we have the engine lighting package and we also have the engine detail plate. So again, that's a relatively new option. Again, like years past, you can order these and put them on your older Stingray, but you can get these from factory now, which is a nice option. And of course, our trunk has space for 2 medium-sized golf bags and or the target top if you decide to put in there. And on one closing note, because I'm going to start mentioning this in the videos, if you don't like the base engine cover, we've got custom painted engine covers available to you, including edge red, white, and carbon flash at the moment. So again, we have that option if plain old black is not your style. On to the interior. So we have the beautiful Napa leather. We have the natural stitching, natural accenting, and then we have the stealth interior package and the carbon fiber level 1 interior package as well. So this is a very well loaded spec. You see we got the carbon fiber wraparound there, leather, Napa leather steering wheel with the stitching. And then we have the front lift with memory just below the infotainment system there. More carbon fiber throughout. And you can see we've got also the beautiful GT2 bucket seats in natural as well. And these are the all leather versions with perforation heated ventilated options. We also have the beautiful microfiber suede upper trim with the natural stitching as well. All right, to open up the front, you got a button right here below the driver's side headlight. Once you hear the beep, opens and releases. You see we got our pouches in here, storage space for the full-size carry-on and what's allowed on an airline is the way they designed the space to fit. We have our brake fluid, battery sits underneath here, windshield washer reservoir fluid, and since this is a 24, we have the slow close feature. Grab it from here, throw it down, and she'll close. This 2024 Stingray has 7,900 miles. We got it priced at $72,995. So the rehash, 24 3LT Coupe. We got the front lift. We've got the TVS low wing spoiler package, scrape armor installed, machine face Trident wheels with the edge reg calipers. We've got the natural interior. And again, carbon fiber and stealth interior package with the front lift. If you are interested in this gorgeous Corvette or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please share info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this gorgeous Stingray Coupe. And as always, while you're down there, please hit the thumbs up and hype button. And thank you for taking time to watch this video, and I will see you on the next one.